My name's Ernie Paquette, and I'm a certified sommelier. And I want to show you how to use a lever opener with the assistance of Jane Fonda. The materials you're going to need for this is a lever opener and a bottle of wine. If you'll notice, a lever opener does not have a knife incorporated into it. So the trick, especially with a nice bottle of wine that doesn't have that like easy pull-off capsule, is you take the point of the auger and just run that point around Okay, one thing that I would recommend, as you see that this has torn the capsule down a pretty good ways. Some of these capsules, depending on how much or how little lead is in them, they can be rather stiff and could cut you. So just be careful that you don't cut yourself. Kind of just fold it up so it's nice and flat and looks better against the bottle. We're going to go in to the dead center of the cork, and you want to try and eyeball it so that the auger is in line with the bottle and will go directly down the center of the cork. So just be careful to hold the lever pull up straight, and then you twist. And you'll see Jane Fonda's arm starting to raise. Look at that. Here she goes. And then once this part gets all the way to the hilt right here, you've gone as far as you can go. Pull down on the arms and watch that cork get extracted. Then, because this was this is a high-end bottle of wine, this Luigi Bosco Malbec. It has a very long cork, and the reason the long cork is in there is so that this wine has the ability to age well. The longer the cork, the greater the separation the wine from the outside air is. So it didn't extract it completely when the arms were all the way to the bottom, so then you just grasp this here, firmly but gently, wiggle it out, and there she goes. And now it's time to enjoy this great bottle of wine.